your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So 72 degrees the air temperature. We have a mix of fair weather skies and cloud out there. More cloud than anything else really, and a dew point value that's starting to lower just a little bit. We had a dew point value earlier on this morning in the 70s. Now we're at 69. West northwest wind at about 10. Wind is going to fluctuate between more of a westerly direction and more of a northerly direction until we hit this afternoon. Then it's going to be due northwest, and it's going to pick up in intensity just a little bit. One lone shower on radar right now, just to the south of Arcadia, moving toward Joshua, or maybe just skirting to the south of Joshua, the heaviest of the storms. This is in the process of decay, and it is rapidly moving out of the Suncoast area. I know in Northport you had a little bit of rainfall earlier on in the last hour or so. That's now departed. You're going to be dry for the rest of the morning. In fact, most of us will be dry for the rest of the morning. I'm only putting in about a 10% chance of showers for the next hour or so, and that's mostly associated with that one lone cell moving out of Hardee County. Low pressure area moves off the Atlantic coast. With it comes shower and thunderstorm activity around areas of Washington, D.C., Charlotte, Raleigh, Durham, those airport hubs. Though there are no airport delays being reported by the FAA at this time, some of your local carriers could have some issues, though, especially at the Charlotte airport and the Raleigh-Durham airports this morning, so you may want to call ahead. High pressure builds in behind the frontal boundary, which carves its way through the state today. That directs our winds out of the northwest, makes them a little bit breezy, but certainly does draw in that drier air. So clouds to start, followed by sunshine this afternoon. Well, kind of a mix of sun and clouds. More sunshine, full sunshine tomorrow, and then drier air moving in, lowering the relative humidity, making it feel really nice for about 2 days in a row before the humidity starts to return. Weekend rain chances, another system approaches from the west. Otherwise, we're looking at this dry air providing us with several days of lovely weather. 73 degrees by 9 a.m. By 12 noon, 77. May catch an inland shower by noon, well inland, with a little bit of sunshine that'll help to destabilize the atmosphere a tad. 82 degrees by 3 p.m. and by 7 this evening should be lovely for everyone. No rainfall, a beautiful, I think, sunset perhaps as high pressure builds in from the west. We often get those lovely sunsets with a little bit of cloud cover helping to reflect the setting sun colors. Should be pretty nice, I think. Winds out of the northwest today picking up. Boaters, don't be caught by surprise there. It could get kind of gusty out there on open waters a little bit later today. By Thursday or even by tomorrow, those winds will be settling down just a little bit. Forecast calls for that northwest wind at about 15 this afternoon. Picking up through the evening hours and into the overnight, you'll look at a moderate chop on bay and inland waters, and seas will build from 2 feet to 3 feet. Water temperature now 78 degrees, kind of nice out there. We have a 10:56 high tide, low tide 3:49, and the 7-day forecast looks like this. 82 today, that 10% chance of showers only for the next hour or so. Then we'll get rid of it and put that rain chance in inland areas this afternoon, well inland areas, mostly the east coast of the state. Tomorrow, gorgeous. Daytime high about 78 degrees, a little bit lower humidity, full sunshine. Same thing holds true on Thursday. We'll start to notice the moisture return on Friday with a temperature of 79. Saturday, you might have a chance at a shower. It will not be an all-day rain out, only about a 20% chance of rain, and Sunday and Monday look great.